In this video, I'll show you how to export transactions to CSV in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Payments in the left side menu. This is where you'll find all of your completed and pending transactions. Next, use the filters at the top of the page to choose the date range or payment status you want to export. This helps you include only the transactions you need in your report. After that, click the Export button. Choose CSV as the file format, then confirm the export. Stripe will prepare your report, and depending on the amount of data, it may take a few moments to generate. Once the export is ready, download the CSV file to your computer. You can then open it in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to review, organize, or analyze your transaction data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export transactions to CSV in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.